my name is Anthony Nathaniel and welcome back to Global Education Zone. And this is in this channel, in this video specifically, we're talking about your mathematics syllabus for your JAMB examination. And so your mathematics syllabus is divided into 5 sections. As you know, you have numeration and number, you have algebra, you have geometry and trigonometry, you have calculus, and you have statistics. Now, going into the detailed syllabus, we'll be going into each of these sections, each of these 5 syllabus, each of these sections. So we go into the details, we go into the topics, and then we'll be covering each of these in details. So basically, you have number basis and other number basis, and that is under number numeration. So you have fraction, decimals, approximations, and percentages. You have indices, logarithm, and sorts. Then you also have sets. Now for your second section of algebra, you have polynomials. You also have variation, inequalities, and progressions. Now, specifically, polynomials and progressions, their topics are not very much covered in your ordinary mathematics syllabus. So for your JAMB examination, you need to understand that you need to have some knowledge of further mathematics, and because of that, you will need to understand that you need to watch these videos, the videos I'll be posting on JAMB mathematics, so that you can be able to gain an advantage over the ordinary mathematics students. So basically, next we'll talk about your binary operations, and that is also a further master topic. We'll also be treating that for a JAMB prep in this channel. So stay tuned and follow the videos. So like, subscribe, and share so that you can be able to gain, and you can also be a light of candle to be able to share to your other friends so that you can all succeed in your examination. So next, talk about matrices and determinants, which is also not in mathematics topics. We'll also be covering all these topics in this channel. So we also have in section 3, we have geometry and trigonometry. Under geometry, we have Euclidean geometry, that's also known as polar coordinates, and that is everything related with your graphs. So you need to understand how to properties of angles, lines, polygons. You need to understand circles, cyclic quadrilaterals, and every other circle theorems. So I've made a video covering that, and I can also make a revision video to cover that again. So you can check every video in this channel for every other topic in mathematics. Next, talk about loci, mensuration. So, and that is under geometry. We also have coordinate geometry. So that is under geometry 2. Then we also have trigonometry, and that is your sine, cos, your tangent, your sine rule, your cosine rule, and every other related concept in trigonometry, which we'll be covering in this channel too. Then we also have calculus. So we have differentiation, application of differentiation, we have integration. So these are very, very important topics that comes out in your JAMB, and every year that comes out, and many students are not able to answer them because they are not an ordinary mathematics topic. So, and those are further mathematics topics which we will also be covering in detail in this channel. So just stay tuned and follow the videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you can gain as much as possible. So lastly, we'll talk about the section 5, which is statistics. Very important, and it also comes out in virtually every year in JAMB examination. So just stay tuned and make sure you understand it in details. Now we also have representation of data under statistics. We have measure of location, that's a measure of central tendency, and measure of that's the dispersion, that's range, standard deviation, cumulative frequency, and every other subtopic under statistics. Then we also have measurement of dispersion, which I stated earlier. We also have permutation and combination, very importantly, and we'll be treating all this in this channel. Lastly, we also have probability, which is under statistics. So for your success in your mathematics, you need to have some recommended text. You need to have, for example, you need to have distinction in mathematics. You need to have new general mathematics, new school mathematics, further mathematics. So further mathematics is included here because for your JAMB mathematics examination, you also need to have a basic understanding of further mathematics topics. So if you don't have any of these text, any of these books, it's okay because this channel is here for you to put you through, and we'll make sure we cover every of the recommended texts and every of the recommended topics for your JAMB examination. So thank you for watching. I wish you success.